Thinking about starting a home care agency in New York? It's a rewarding venture that can make a significant difference in the lives of many. With an aging population and growing demand, now is the perfect time. The need for quality home care services is skyrocketing, making it a lucrative opportunity. Let's break it down fast. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started on the right foot. First, research the home care market. Understand the demographics, needs, and preferences of your potential clients. Identify services like personal care, household help, and companionship. These are the core services that most clients will need. Study local demand and competition to position your agency for success. Knowing your competitors and their offerings can help you carve out your niche. A strong business plan is your roadmap. It should outline your goals, strategies, and the steps you need to take to achieve them. Define your mission, services, financial goals, and marketing strategy. This will guide your operations and help you stay focused. Include startup costs, hiring plans, and operational procedures to attract investors and stay organized. Detailed planning can make a big difference. Choose a business name and register it with the New York Department of State. This is a crucial step to make your business official. Get your employer identification number (EIN) from the IRS and register for a New York State tax ID to handle taxes. Proper tax management is essential. New York has strict regulations. Familiarize yourself with them to ensure compliance and avoid any legal issues. Submit a licensure application with documents like your EIN, business plan, and proof of insurance to the New York State Department of Health, NYSDOH. This is a critical step to operate legally. Pass background checks and inspections and consider getting accredited for credibility. Accreditation can enhance your agency's reputation, protect your agency with liability, workers' compensation, and professional liability insurance. This safeguards your business against potential risks. Choose your business structure, LLC, sole proprietorship, or corporation, and set up an organizational chart. This will help in managing your business efficiently. Hire skilled caregivers, nurses, and admin staff. Your team is the backbone of your agency. Define job roles, verify credentials, and conduct background checks to maintain high-quality care. This ensures your clients receive the best service. Stay updated with NYSDOH regulations, renew licenses on time, and conduct quality assurance checks to ensure top-tier service. Continuous improvement is key. Starting a home care agency takes work, but with careful planning, you can build a thriving business. Good luck! Remember, the effort you put in now will pay off in the long run. Like, share, and subscribe for more business tips. Stay tuned for more insights and guidance on building a successful home care agency.